Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the word love. So let's get started. To draw this very sweet word, let's first start by drawing the letter L. So I'm going to come right here and start at the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So we're going to make them nice and round, and I'll bring this down and this as well. So this drawing is just meant to inspire you. Of course, you can draw your letters however you like. So just have fun with this. I'm just going to go ahead and just create this round L. And as I go around, my goal is to kind of make everything the same width. So then from there, now that we have the letter L, I'm going to draw the letter O. And with O, I thought it'd be really cute to make it kind of like an emoji with some heart eyes. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here, and I'm going to draw a circle. So let's go ahead, and once again, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. So I'm just going to wing it right here and go around. If it's too perfect, it wouldn't look very natural, right? So I think it's better if it's just more organic there. So now that we have our O, let's go ahead and draw the letter V. So with the letter V, I'm going to kind of make it look like a heart, since it is almost kind of like a heart. So let's come about right here, and I'll start here and come down and then go back up. Kind of like the same width as the L. And all the way down. So I'm going to aim to come down at the same level as our L, and right in the center there, and connect it for our letter V. And then now the letter E. So the letter E, I'm going to try and make it at the same height as the O, just to change it up a little bit. And so we're going to start to draw these three arms that come out. So one, a smaller one right here, and then another one a little bit longer, and whatever space you have, just go ahead and connect it there. So we have our word love, and then from there, let's go ahead and let's put some eyes on this letter O. So I'm going to put it at a little bit of a slant just to make it a little bit more fun. So I'll start about right here and start with one heart for eye, and I'm going to bring it over, and same thing about right here, just about the same area. I'm just going to hit the sides of the O just so I don't have to erase anything. But of course, you can pop yours out more if you like. So now we have our two eyes and then a cute little mouth. I'm going to draw a curve, cap it off, and then put in a big smile and a little tongue. Now that we're done drawing the word love, I'm going to come in here with some markers and just color it in first, and then go back in with my Sharpie and give it some dimension. So they're all done. I really hope you love how these bubble letters turned out for the word love and I've inspired you to draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.